DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, now we're back with another mad reaction in a gang. And today we're there with Mr. Dunks himself. Yeah, man, this man paved the way for a lot of these trap artists. You see me I say? A lot of them trap artists I don't know right now, I run with this man's style, no joke, no cap. And if you know me I talk about, you should know this artist. Yeah, man, the artist we're there with Jamal. You see me, they want to name one chap. It's been a minute since we reacted to Jamal. You see me I say? He's been like dropping music quietly, but we're there again. It's never too late. Jamal, big up yourself. They want to name one chap. We'll check it out and say that we're not going to hold up vibes much longer. And yeah, I don't know, Jamal, a bad artist. A bad artist. You see me, we're not hold up vibes around that gang. Well, let's get it.
Come from scared. What they say if you
right now, I don't see thing them father. It's global. Fully.
Man, thing global, I'm here.
The Bentham just pull up and
really?
have the view.
I'm hearing shows on sitting. Big Benz on
X60 RDDQ.
I mean, man.
So me turn up a scheme with just one chap. When the cars call a fianza, send one hot dogs, charge one land tax. Empty out one CD.
What's all the cars call a fianza, dog, and lift up a skull with a phone in a dog? How the Yeah, man. Your mother song different, man. You see me, they want to vibes and song different, man. Come in now, man. Come in now, man.
Turn up a scheme with just one chap. When the cars call a
fianza, watch out.
Easy. Charge one land tax. Empty out one CD, but I never send tracks that I want.
Send a blood clot ducks. I said blood clot and clear out the land tax. How they blood wait? Yeah, that's
ducks charge one land tax. Empty out one CD, but I never send tracks that I want one stacks. And me goes through everything in my contacts. In new Benz with the blue plate contract.
Man say goes with everything in contacts, dog. That means if you're not this man phone, you know, man, you wanna have a number, you go to down. And don't even
skate round about down a songsters. In God we trust, me say thank God. Bad bitch and I cope, believe. Me love bitch and I truth. Shipping I mood a one button for
bad bitch and I cope, me love bitch and I truth.
Bad bitch and I cope, believe. Me love bitch and I truth. Shipping I mood a one button fly roof. Say she pop two, she dive off in I pool. 39 good, she near me like fool. Me gun talk in I room.
39 good, she never me like fool. I have to say 40. I want to hear man. Come in, man. Come in, man. No style up. I don't have to talk too much, my youth. And get a
mood a one button fly roof. Say she pop two, she dive off in I pool. 39 good, she near me like fool. Me gun talk in I road, me never left in I room. Him lie down.
Talk in I road. Shows and you see me, yeah man, be yourself. Road bomber, boxers and shots. You see
I make a line new, 99 of funeral and gun down in 9 tomb. Millions a day, the dunce them a tycoon. Down me chip a night drew me do this a right through.
Millions a day, the dunce them a tycoon. Watch out my dog and bomber skip up.
Me chip a night drew me do this a right
about, I'm here man.
True. Full Gucci suit, the gold cards not the blue. And when you see don't you know we chop it true. My friend them no cap, matic load up the car them and send them go tap. Me check them no stop, a rich badness do that.
Come in now man, check them no stop, a rich badness do that. Come in now man, yeah man. Come in. Yeah man, this is a vibe, come in.
Me check them no stop, a rich badness do that. Done. The new Beamer soon dress, so me turn up a scheme with just one chop. When the cars call a fianza, send one ducks, charge one land tax. Empty out one CD, but I never send tracks that I want one stop.
Easy now, Briscoe. My boy Briscoe can drop some tune. Briscoe every time I see him, I go cuss that. Can drop some tune, Briscoe.
In my contacts, in new Benz with the blue plate contract. Make it skate round about down a songsters. In God we trust, me say thank God. Next name me like cheese.
We trust, we say thank God, what you mean?
Say she love fuck man with the sweepstakes. big Benz and V8. And the design of bag Louis V shades purple and real babe girl.
Big and V8 you. I'm telling you.
1 week day, how much sitting for the circle 1 week place. Me take a day for myself like a leap year. I saw me turn up a scheme with just one chop.
Take a day for myself like a leap year. Come in over easy.
When the cars call a fianza, send one dax, charge 1 land tax. Empty out 1 CD, but I never send tracks. That I want 1 stacks. And me goes through everything in a me contacts. In new Benz with the blue plate contract. Make it skate round about down a songsters. In God we trust, me say thank God. Millions a day they done.
Come in now man, easy.
Them a tycoon dog, me drip a night through. Me do this a right through. Full Gucci suit, the gold cards not the blue. And when you sit down, you know we chat.
Gucci suit, the gold cards not the blue. Come here.
For true, me friend them no cap, matic load up the car, them and send them got up. Me check them no stop, a rich badness do that. The new beamer soon draw, so me turn up a scheme with just 1 chop.
Come in now man, easy yourself, easy. Outside. Come to them. Come in now man. Jamal. 1 chop. I want to hear now man. That's how we turn up the scheme. Talk truth now man. Believe no father. Yeah man. Jamal, big up yourself. The one any 1 chop gang. We know nothing but the one day. That's a vibe. You see me? That's a vibe. That's a banger right. That's a playlist song for sure. So drop in the comments. Let me know nothing but the one that was your favorite part. You see me and say beats, lyrics, melody. Definitely. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make it a Jambisco. You already know what time of this gang, man. Yeah, crazy tune. Play the song for real. Jamal, a bad artist, dog. The artist you listen to. Hopefully, let me know. Do y'all listen to Jamal? First time you hear him, first time you hear the Jamal, let me know in the comment section. If you heard of him before, what's your favorite song? What song should I react to? If you know if you drop requests, you definitely gonna get shout out and stuff. So, yeah, man. So big up on yourself, gang. Yeah, man. Jamal, a bad artist, man. So. Yeah, check it out, check him out, show him some love and support, drop a comments, let's talk about it, get some dialogue going. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.